everyone, Shane here, reference librarian at the Thomas Crane Library, and today on Shayne's Suggestions, I will be talking to you about the movie The Sound of Noise. First off, I just want to say that I knew almost nothing about the film before watching it. Apart from knowing that it was Swedish, and it somehow involved a drummer wearing a balaclava, I had no idea of what I was getting into. Now with that said, I was pleasantly surprised when the film turned out to be a wildly entertaining tale about a cat and mouse chase between Amadeus, a tone-deaf policeman who absolutely hates music, and Zana, an idealistic musician who becomes a ringleader of a terrorist group whose choice of weapon happens to be music. So for anyone who's in the mood for an imaginative crime comedy, this is definitely for you.